So in this problem, we are given some radian measures from problem 1 to problem 9. We need to find the corresponding degree measure. To begin with, let's review quickly what's the relationship between radians and degrees. So whenever we have radian, it's given by the pi radian is equals to 180 degrees. Then we can consider 1 radian. So 1 radian will then be equals to 180 divided by pi. So this will get converted to degrees. And if we want to find out the value of x radians, then all we have to do is we'll multiply 1 over 80 over pi with x, and this will get converted to degrees. In some case, we will need to convert our given degree measure into minutes and seconds. For that, we will consider the value of pi to be approximately 22 over 7, such that x radians will then become 180 times 7 multiplied to x divided by 22. So this will become degrees, and we can find out the corresponding degree value. So let's begin with our first problem number 1. So in problem number 1, we have 9 pi over 5. So this is a radian measure, and we need to convert it into its corresponding degree value. All we have to do is we'll take the radian measure, which is 9 pi over 5, and multiply it with the factor 180 over pi. In doing so, this entire radian measure gets converted into degrees. So we can cancel out the pi. So pi and pi gets cancelled. Then we will get 9 times 180 divided by 5. So this is going to give us a value 324 degrees. So that means 95 over pi radians. Its degree measure will be 324 degrees. Similarly, we can do number 2. In problem number 2, we have negative 5 pi over 6 radians. So this will be, we'll take negative 5 pi over 6 and multiply it with 180 over pi, and this will get converted to degrees. So here, pi and pi will get cancelled, and we know that 6 times 30 degrees, that's 180. So 30 times 5, this is going to give us a final value of 150 degree, and we also have negative sign here. So this will be negative 150 degrees. This is going to be the degree measure of negative 5 pi over 6. So number 3, we have 5 pi over 6. Instead of a negative sign, we have a positive sign here. So 5 pi over 6 radians, that will be positive 150 degrees. Same method, all we have to do is multiply 5 pi over 6 with 180 over pi. This is going to give us 150 degrees. Moving on to number 4. In number 4, we have 7 pi over 3 radians. All we have to do is take 7 pi over 3, multiply it with the factor 180 over pi, and calculate the value to get the degree measure. So we have pi and pi cancelling out. 3 times 60, so that's 180 degrees, and 60 times 7, that will be 420 degrees. So that means the equivalent degree measurement will be 420 degrees. Moving on to number 5. So in number 5, we have 17 pi over 9 radians. So we'll take 17 pi over 9 and multiply it to 180 divided by pi, and this will get converted to degrees. So we have pi and pi cancelling out. 9 times 20, so that's 180 degrees. So this is going to be 17 times 20, so that's 340 degrees. So 17 pi over 9 radians will be 340 degrees. Then we have number 6. In number 6, we have 18 pi over 5 radians. So this will be equals to 18 pi over 5 multiplied to 180 divided by pi. So this will be in degrees, and the final value is going to be 648 degrees. So it's very easy to convert from radians to degrees if we have pi involved in it, because the pi and pi gets cancelled. Now moving on to the 7th, 8th and 9th problem. Here we do not have pi multiplied to the radian measures. So here it will be a little bit elaborate with our calculation. So let's try out each of them. Let's start with problem number 7. So here we have 11 radians. What we'll do, we'll take 11 and multiply it with the factor 180 divided by pi, and this will now get converted into degrees. Now we'll take the approximate value of pi. So pi is 22/7. So we have 11 times 180 times 7 divided by 22 degrees. So we'll simplify this, and this is going to give us a value 630 degrees. So we have found out 11 radians, that's 630 degrees. Coming to number 8, so problem number 8, we have 1 radian. So it's extremely important. So let's find out the value of 1 radian in degrees. So 1 radian will be 180 over pi degrees. So 180 over pi is 180 multiplied to 7 over 22. So this is in degrees. 180 times 7, that's 1260 divided by 22. We want to express this fraction in a mixed num form. So 1260 divided by 22 will be 57.3 over 11 degrees. Now this will become 57 degrees. Now we have 3 over 11, the fraction. We want to convert it to minutes. So we have 3 over 11 and we will multiply 60 to it, such that 3 over 11 times 60 will get converted into minutes. That will be now equals to, so we have 57 degrees. So 3 times 60, that's 180. So we have 180 divided by 11. So now we want to write it in a mixed form, which will be 16.4 over 11. So that means we have 16.4 over 11 minutes, which will be 57 degrees, 16 minutes and 4 over 11 minutes. Now we also want to convert the fraction 4 over 11 to seconds. All we have to do is multiply 4 over 11 with 60, and this will convert the minutes into seconds. Now we have 60 times 4, that's 240 over 11, and that will be equals to 21.81. So we'll take the whole number which is closest to 21, so that will be 22. So we'll consider 57 degrees, 16 minutes and 22 seconds. So this is going to be the value of 1 radian. Now coming on to the final problem, we have -3 radians. So let's find out the value of -3 radians. Number 9, so we have -3 radians, which will be equals to -3 multiplied to 180 divided by pi. So this gets converted to degrees. Or we have negative of 3 times 180. We will replace pi with 22/7. So we have 7 over 22 multiplied to it. So this will be in degrees. And this is going to give us a fraction 1890 over 11. And we want to write it in the mixed format. So in the mixed format, it will be 171.9 over 11. So that means we have -1 over 171 degrees and 9 divided by 11 degrees. We will convert this 9 divided by 11, this fraction, into minutes. All we have to do is multiply it with 60. So we have -171 degrees, 9 over 11 times 60, and this will get converted to minutes, which will give us -171 degrees. So 9 times 6, so that's 540 divided by 11. That will be 49.1 over 11 minutes. So we'll get -171 degrees, 41 minutes and 1 over 11 minutes. We'll convert 1 over 11 to seconds. All we have to do is multiply it by 60. So we have 60 divided by 11, which will be -171 degrees, 49 minutes and 5 seconds. So this is going to be the value of -3 radians.